Get this one now.
And while I'm checking, we're looking for a 3-vessel cord. 1 artery, 2 arteries, and 1 vein. You see?
So 1, 2, 3.
Yep, that's it. Ooh, big boy. And you can go ahead and take this right here, Lindsay, and just put it, okay, hold on, there's bracelets right here. That's okay. Just put it over there, on the blue. Lift that. No, sorry. Yeah. There you go. Now, that blue. Ooh. He's like, I am not loving this. I'm gonna let it, in a minute it'll say read, and you can sort of tell Mom what she just did. It's 8 pounds and 7 ounces.
8 pounds, 7 ounces.
Yeah.
Attaboy.
Okay, 38, 32 grams. And that's some good pictures of him there. Okay.
Good job, dude.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Let's see how long you are. Now tell me his name.
Nicholas Henry.
Nick with an N?
We're going to call him Henry.
Henry, okay. Well, all right. This is Henry's bracelets. You put it up there. And we've already got yours on. Okay. When you change his diaper, just sort of check and make sure he's got his bracelets on, and we'll trim these in a minute. Okay. And then, of course, you and Mom don't take y'all's off until Henry goes home from the hospital. These numbers right here are the numbers we match. Sometimes this stuff gets smeared around.
Okay.
We're going to definitely do... He still looks just a little bit acrocyanosis on his hands. And that beep was 5 minutes. So we're going to do 9. We're going to count off 1 for color at 5 minutes. I do. So his Apgars. Oh, look, it's a fountain. Here, let me point it toward Lindsay.
Oh, I'm sure there'll be a bunch of those on us.
He knows how to TT.
You got him, Henry.
He 8'6".
Huh?
I said, now
he's 8'6". That's right. Shake this. Get that off. And we're just trying to keep him, warm right now. Okay. So here, go ahead and take that wet blanket away. Wait a minute. Let's take that wet blanket away. Let's see how bad. And that one looks okay. Okay.
It's only a 2 soaker.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's right here.
Okay. Sure, eventually we will. Is Henry planning on breastfeeding? Bottle feeding, okay. All right, let's see.
Tough time.
A tough time earlier, huh? Ooh-wee. Okay, so 14 and a half. 37 on centimeter. And Veronica's writing that down. Like when we stabilize, you'll be the recorder. Or actually, I'll be the recorder. You'll be doing this. C1D1.
It's all right, buddy.
It is. Let's see how long you are. Oh, a little red. Maybe a little reddish brown.
That's how Madeline looks first.
Yeah.
Hers is totally blonde now.
Alright, here's a good photo op at 21 inches long. You may want to get, if you can get his foot and the 21. He's 21 inches long. 53.5 on centimeters. Okay, so we'll save this.
Good job. 21. She might have been 22. How long was Madeline? Rachel, how long was Madeline? 21? Yeah.
Did y'all have a baby book by any chance? If you don't, that's okay.
Yeah, we didn't bring one.
I always like to ask. What are you trying to tell us, Henry? You don't like all this fun? I understand. I know.
Her name's Kathy.
Her name's Kathy. You can come see her when you get 18. And tell me all about it. Or you can come earlier when you talk. He's like, really? Just leave me alone. Antibiotic ointment for his eyes, Dad. And this injection is going to be vitamin K. Okay, and This is just me. I do it, always do it in the left. Do the hepatitis in the right. That's why I don't ever forget where I get, because I give them all in the same place every time. And I'll show you how to do this apparatus later on. It's a little different, but you still aspirate.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You just cried out, little man.
Did you see the needle for the hepatitis?
You didn't like that.
Baby, I would love to know. Because
Jennifer told me.
who?
It's supposed to be the what? In the crib, but I don't see it.
Is it on that table? There was some over there, I thought.
Oh, there it is. Perfect.
It wasn't in the crib.
It was right there. Much better than trying to draw it out of the syringe into another.
What was the first one?
It was vitamin K, the blood clotting factor that babies don't produce. We just give them a boost of it right to begin with. Oh, I know it. Just a sad day.
She told me that it's good.